public welfare and personal hygiene, the neglect and laziness of the poor. Every country, region, and government provides a plethora of public facilities for the poor, such as free water and electricity. Especially concerning water resources, many countries offer free services to impoverished areas. However, take a look at those poor individuals. Can you be poor and still not wash your clothes properly? Can't you keep your hands and face clean? This kind of impoverished individuals is genuinely terrifying, emitting an unbearable odor. Can't they spare some time for personal hygiene? Isn't the disdain people have for the poor a direct result of this? Many speak up for the poor, advocating for their rights and justice. But what about themselves? Why not change this lazy attitude? Everyone has a responsibility to appreciate the resources provided by society, rather than taking public facilities for granted. Poverty is not synonymous with filth. It's an attitude problem. If the poor cannot change their material circumstances, they can at least make efforts in their mental and hygiene aspects, instead of blaming everything on society. That's where real change is needed.